So I was just surfing on the YouTube and I found out these quizzes kind of the videos are getting really huge views. For example, this quiz video on which we have to just guess the right animal get more than 500k views, and you can see here on the chocolate quizzes it got 5 million views. And let me scroll down here, you can see this video got on more than 900k views. This got 6.4 million views, and this is all the normal videos. Let me play it one for you here. For example, you can see this video on the sip of the desert here, and you can see, okay, it doesn't take so much effort to creating these kind of the videos, but the virality is really huge on this video. So what if in this video I will show you how you can create these kind of the videos, upload on your YouTube shorts or the Instagram and get the huge views on your platform here. So without wasting any more time, let me get started here. So this is the platform we are going to use today here. This is the Kubrix, and with the help of this tool you can create that kind of the quiz videos, or you can use the AI to generate the videos here, and that will be the short form of the content. So if I scroll down below, you can see these kind of the videos we can create, whether the message, whether the quizzes, whether the background gaming, that kind of the stuff here. Okay, so this is how its platform looks like. First we have to just choose which kind of the video we want to generate here. Like we want to create the custom story video. Here we have to add the script or the text, then this AI tool is going to convert that text or story into the video here. Then we have the news video, quiz video, message video, or the challenge video. So my main purpose using this tool right now is the quiz or the challenge type video. So let me select the quiz video here, and after that it is going to ask you select the background video. I'm going to select this one, then the language, the background music, the orientation, and the font style, and the background color here. So once you have selected these all things, in the end you have to just add the topic of your quiz. For example, right now I am going to create the country capital challenge, in which I'm going to ask the country's capital. Okay, so I have just done all the configuration, I have entered my topic, and now let me click here on the generate. So when I click here on the generate, it will take just few seconds, around 2 minutes or the 60 seconds to generate that video, and here's the result. Okay, look at here. So let me the play video here and you will see the results and you are going to amazed.
To the capital challenge, test your knowledge on world capitals and see how many you can get right. Question 1. What is the capital of France?
3, 2, 1, go.
Paris. Question 2. What is the capital of Japan?
3, 2, 1, go.
Tokyo. Question 3.
See, this kind of the videos are really easy to just create with the Kubrix. It only took around me 2 minutes to do all this stuff and wait for generating the videos, and results I have showed you is really mind-blowing. And look at the potential that I have showed you while starting the video. So you can get the ideas, just search the kids game videos on the YouTube. You will get the ideas on which you can create your own videos using the Kubrix and then post on your Instagram, TikTok, or the YouTube, and that will get you the most views. Even possible that your videos can go viral like these videos I have just showed you right now. So right now Kubrix Lifetime Deal is available on the appsumo starting from the just $59, and here you will see to that there are the so many great features available in this platform here. First of all, it's the AI video generator. You can create the quiz or the context kind of the video, but still there are the many other formats available here. Okay, then let me scroll down below and you will see it has the 4 plans available, and those all 4 tier plans give you the lifetime access. Starting from the $59, you can see in the tier 1 plan we can generate up to the 15 videos, and we can also store these videos on the Kubrix platform because we are getting the cloud storage of the 10 GB. You will get the unlimited AI quality, no watermark, HD video, text to videos, and text to viral shorts. Basically the features I have showed you in while showing the demo of the platform here. Okay, so what I suggest, go at least with the tier 1 because it will give you the 15 videos, means the 1 video every 2 days you can generate and post. Okay, but if you want more videos than this, you have to go with the tier 2 or the tier 3 plans. I like the tier 4 plan here because it will get me the 150 videos generation limit per month, and this is really huge. Suppose out of 150 even the 2 or 5 videos get the most views, it is just going to save you a lot of the time efforts here. So if you want to check it out, this lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description. And that's all for today's video and talk about. Make sure you hit the like video so I can encourage to creating these kind of the videos for you. With this, let's end this video. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.